Today we are going to be doing an experiment, and we're going to learn the importance of washing our hands. Let's start our experiment. Are you ready, John?
Yep.
So what we're going to be needing for this experiment is... Did you just smell the pepper?
Yes.
Okay, so what we're going to be needing for this experiment is 3 cups of water. It's not cold or hot, it's just plain water you can get from the sink. A bowl to put the water in, some pepper, soap, and a tiny bowl. So I'm going to start off, me and John are going to start off by putting this water in. We're going to take turns to put the pepper in. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Shake all over.
My turn.
Shake, 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 shake. Hold on, let me put it together. I'm going to fill the whole thing with pepper. All this pepper represents the germs. So
can I put it in?
For our next step. So John, you put the soap in the bowl. Good job. I think that's enough.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
So now
Let's
see what happens when I just put my hand in with just water. The germs didn't go away, but now we're going to put soap on my finger. Let's see what happens now. How about you get some soap too?
Okay, can I put it in first?
Let's go at the same time. Go! Look, now we take it out. No germs. So that's why we always have to use soap when we wash our hands, so then all the germs can go away. See, there's no germs on my finger here, but on this one, there's germs. You can see the difference. I think that was from the pepper. So now you know the importance of washing your hands with soap. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!
Bye!